Now let's start with the height. Let's start with the width. For example, this one over here. This is height or this width. This I think this is height, which is the y-axis, and this is width, which is x-axis. Now, what I want us to do, I want us to change this width and height. So to change width and height, we are going to use this method over here. So figure, and let's use it. So we are going to take the plot. Remember the plot is this one. We are taking it from the Matplotlib SPLT. So when we take we take this plot PLT, that is, we now give it a figure size, and this the first one, which is 16, stand for the width or height, and then we have 10, which is this one, and this stand for the sorry for the confusion. The 16, it is the x-axis. We start with the x-axis. In this time, it is like it is going opposite of the mathematical perspective that we know, and the biological perspective of drawing graphs, where we say y against axis. Although there is no problem if you have that, but the first thing to start, we say it is the length, this one, and then the height, this one. I think this is the height, and this is the width, right? So let's now run it next that lesson.